Hello everyone and welcome to my art class. I will be your art teacher, Ms. Lopez. Do you ever get bored while you're waiting for the last 5 minutes of class or while your screen is loading because of the horrible school Wi-Fi? Well, if there's some paper nearby, and it doesn't matter what type of paper, it could be a note card, a sticky note, or some old homework assignment, you could do something called origami, which is the art of folding paper to create some sort of figure. It could be a heart, a butterfly, a paper airplane, it does not matter. Today we'll be going over origami's history, its benefits, and the steps on how to make your very own origami butterfly. Where or by whom origami was invented is unknown. Some say that origami came from the Japanese people, where they would use origami for ceremonial purposes and decorations. Others claim that origami originated in China shortly after the invention of paper in the 2nd century. According to Britannica, paper was invented by a Chinese court official called Kai Lung. He created paper so that individuals had something to write on. The concept of paper had traveled across the world, and in Japan, some paper makers improved the quality of paper so that it could be foldable. Origami was beginning to be more well known across the world because of avid proponents, and it is such a magnificent invention, and I'll tell you just why. I'd really recommend everyone to try origami at least once because of all of the beneficial outcomes. Origami helps strengthen your brain because it is an exercise for the brain. It requires hand-eye coordination, which can develop your fine motor, concentration, and problem-solving skills. It also requires you to use both your left and right hemisphere, which can improve your learning abilities. Origami can also help you be relaxed and calm and make you feel good, because whenever you may be finding yourself doing origami figures, an impulse will be sent to the brain, releasing a neurotransmitter called serotonin, which has an influence in our mood and can make us feel good. Origami can also help enhance our math skills because you could show kids how to do fractions by folding papers into halves, 1/4, or 1/3. We have gone over origami's history, its benefits, and now we will go over on the steps on how to make your very own origami butterfly. You will first get a piece of paper. It could be a note card or a sticky note, but for this case, I would recommend a square like this one. You're first going to fold the sticky note into half, and then you're going to unfold it. Next, you're going to fold it again, but on the other way. You will have 2 lines, one going vertical, the other horizontal. Now you will take the corners and bring them in together like this and fold them down to create a triangle. You will unfold this as well, and then take the other side, take the corners, and fold it again to create a triangle. Now again, unfold it. And now you will have all these lines going across the square sticky note. And you will see an outline of a triangle. You're going to take the sides of your sticky note with your fingers, and you're going to fold and press down on the sticky note to create just a singular triangle. Next, you're going to take the right corner and fold it down towards the middle, like so. And then you're going to take the left corner and do the same thing. And on the back, you're going to fold this corner upwards. And there you go. You have your own origami butterfly. Today in class, we have gone over origami's history, its benefits, and the steps on how to create your own origami butterfly. The bell has just rung, so it is time for you now to go on to your 5th hour class. Have a great rest of your school day. Thank you.